In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you all how you can very easily see what the path is to the file or folder that you're clicking on. Now, let's get right to it. So you see here I have Mac open up here, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go down here to the Finder, okay? And let's say, for instance, that I want to see what the path is for movies folder, right? Well, one way you can do it is you can hit the Option key and hover over it, and down here at the bottom, which let me shrink this a little bit so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay. So right here, if you hover over this, you see if you hover over it right now, nothing's showing down there. But if you hit the Option key and hover over it, there it is. But you know what else is nice is that, let's say for instance, see, I can also do it over a file too, just so you can see. And this shows you the exact path of everything that's going on with it, right? But let's say for instance, I want that to always show up no matter when I'm clicking on it. I don't have to remember to hit Option. Well, what you can do here in the Finder window is go up here to View, and then you're going to go down here to Show Path Bar. Now it automatically shows what path that it is by whenever you click on it. It is automatically show down here in this section right here. Pretty cool, huh? Well, I hope you all enjoyed this short little episode, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like button right down below. And if you want to see more of these videos in the future, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. With that being said, I want to wish you all a wonderful week, and I'll catch you next episode. Take care.